There are a lot of folktale stories going viral nowadays. Folktale story has been there for as long as I can remember. All those village stories you know, and there is actually a particular app that you can use to create such story. The app I showed you on day 17 can actually create similar stories like that, stories that give you that mood, that atmosphere. But there is a tool that they call the Odogo of folktale story. This is a tool that creates it better than any other tool. So today I'm going to be showing you that tool. But mind you, all these tools create images and all these tools create videos of just 5 seconds. It's actually a little bit discouraging, because if you want to create 1 minute, you have to create over and over and over and over and over. But I don't want you to be discouraged. Everything in life, like, it's those people that are patient that end up enjoying it. So I don't want you to be discouraged. For how long it takes you to create a particular video doesn't, it pays off. Even if you have 0 followers and you think you are creating and nobody is saying, trust me, people will come and say. I mean, if you don't have anything on your page, what will people see when they finally arrive? If they don't see anything, they'll leave. For example, when one of my posts is reaching a lot of people, all of a sudden another one just picks up. You get me? Like, another one that I've created a long time ago just suddenly starts picking up. Maybe it's just as if those people that are visiting your page are going through your timeline and saying things for themselves, or maybe the algorithm is just showing those people this particular post. Maybe when all of a sudden your post just go far and 200 people or 300 people follow you, the algorithm will just decide to show them this particular post of yours that you've made for a long time. So this message is for those people that are feeling discouraged that their videos are not reaching a lot of people. I don't think it is something that should bother you like that. All you have to do is put in, just do the work, okay? Hello, if you are coming across this YouTube channel for the first time, my name is Jemilat and this is day 18 of our 30 days AI. 18? No, this is the 19th of our AI video creation challenge. We've done a lot of things. You can go through the playlist and see for yourself. So I was talking about the folktale story, and I was talking about those people that are discouraged that their profile or their timeline, people are not visiting and all that. Trust me, people will visit. One day people will visit. Now let me tell you a very short story. This year I decided to start creating more than 4 posts on Facebook. Before now, I used to create just 4 posts every day, but this year, like 3 months ago, I decided to start creating up to 20 posts per day on Facebook. I know you are going to be like, how is that even possible? I am even telling myself that is not enough, because there is one American, is it African? American, like abroad, one man that creates like even 40 posts in a day, and all his posts are value packed. There is none of his posts that isn't saying something that you pick 1 or 2 from. He talks about tech, talks about AI, he talks about upcoming tools, talks about tools that are there already, like every day like this. He talks about many different things. 40, these are the people that are packing max money on Facebook. So I was like, what is there that I can't do? It is not about comparing yourself to anyone. It is about being motivated by what someone is doing. If you really want to be a content creator, if you really want to use this to put food on your table, you have to learn to be inspired. You have to learn how to create more than you consume. So before now, I was consuming more than I was creating. Imagine a whole day, 24 hours, or let's just say 18 hours, I'm creating just 4 posts. That was so poor. When I started creating the 20 content in a day, it didn't just blow up like immediately. No, it doesn't work like that. You have to give the algorithm time to adjust to the new you. The old me was poor, this new me is a little bit better, but the algorithm still have to like adjust to this new development of years. So 1 week after, 2 of my posts went far, then the shadow ban and a lot. But right now, since last week to this week, I've been having such a good time on Facebook. And you know, Facebook is this place that the earnings are a little bit small for the creators. I made a video on Facebook why you shouldn't be discouraged about that, okay? So like since last week to this week, it has been a whole lot of a fantastic period of my life, because my posts are actually doing so well. Like I'm like I'm amazed. That is why I'm sharing this with you, that content creation is not something that you should just give up. It's not something that you should just start today and tomorrow you are like, you are not creating again. It's not working, it's not this. It's actually gonna work. And now things are a little bit more easier than it was before. Now you don't need all the gadgets. You see, I was actually looking for money to buy gadgets. I was still 300 and something thousand, but today with AI, I can pass the message. It boils down to the message. You see, where I'm creating content, not a two-stop studio, but you are still watching me. That is because what you are getting from what I'm saying is like the value you are getting from what I'm saying. It doesn't concern having a beautiful apartment, having this, having that. When the time comes, you will definitely go there. But for now, this is what you have, and you have the gift, the talent. Like, you have the knowledge, you have to pass it across. It doesn't matter if you are creating content for, comedy, like educational content, traveling content, whatever content. And do you know why I stopped my traveling content? Because of not planning well, and you waste a lot of things if you want everything at once. So you just have to start with what you have. Do something. Just have to do something. Now AI is here. All the things, your talent, all the things, your creativity, you just have to think it, and AI will do it for you. And you are still going to complain, oh, it's creating only 5 seconds. Okay, pay for the tools. That is also going to be another work. Then manage it. Consistency. Like, if you are consistent in complaining and you are not consistent in doing something, it's actually going to cost you so much. So you have to be consistent in doing something, not consistent in complaining every time, every now and then. You use the old 2025 to complain. Now 2026 is in just maybe 6 days and you still want to complain. Complaining will not put food on your table. Complaining will not... It doesn't change things just like that. Oh, it's 5 seconds, let me just go and rest. It's 5 seconds. You have to work first. Then you use that money you'll be getting from that work to do something. Like to do something that will give you money that you use to pay for the paid tools. Like I told you that I'm going to pay for a tool. I'll be doing that today. You see, I've gotten the money to do that. I didn't start with the payment. I started with the free tools. Even if I pay for this one tool, I will still use many other tools that has free version to create free things. So the motivation is been long, right? If you check the description of this YouTube channel, it states motivation there. So once in a while, I'm going to be dropping this ginger for you. So in 2026, I want to do better, and I want you to do better too, because time, there is no time. No. There is no time again. I don't know for you, but for me, I don't think there is more time for me to waste. If you are tired of the brokenness, the not having anything at your age and all that, you will look for a way. So it's not like waiting for God's time. Sometimes you are the one not doing the right thing. So if you know content creation is your calling, it's what you really want to do, you have to put up the work. So I've motivated you because I'm showing you a 5 seconds tool again. But when you create the 5 seconds, you create another one, create another one. Even if you want to create 10 minutes, 5 seconds into, you are definitely going to create it. You know, sometimes when I think about the data I use, I'll be like, I don't want to do it again. But then, like this digital creation of a thing, anything you do, anything you invest, you are like, it's something. Okay, it is something that your future self will be grateful that you do. You cannot just get the 1 million followers today. It's not possible. So you have to plant a seed that you will harvest in the future. So the data you are wasting, you think you are wasting, it's an investment. Everybody has something they definitely would invest in if they want more. So it's an investment for your future self. Your future self will be grateful. Oh, I'm glad you did this last year, last 2 years, last 3 years. So you have to strategize, you have to plan, you have to put in the work. We'll start January now. Close your eyes, open it, you see December again. That is how fast everything is going. So enough motivation. Let me show you the tool now and also teach you how to use it. Ta-da! As always, the first thing is heading over to your Chrome. And you are going to type Wix AI. Okay, Wix, whisking your egg. WHISK, that is the spelling, okay. And you see, we have a lot. We have this one here that has the Wix AI on it. So that's not what you are going to. You are going to click on this very first one. Okay, so you click on that first one. It's going to give you this. If you didn't see this, then you are not in the right place. Let me set it to let me remove it from the desktop side. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. Click on this browse gallery and you see all this. This is Wix. Then click on enter tool and you see this interface. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is it. So we are going to be heading to the next app. You already know what it is, our ChatGPT. Let's go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give me 10 folktale. Let me add village, please. Village folktale story idea. Okay, village folktale story ideas. So let's see. It's going to give us the talking drum, palm tree that choose a king, the girl who borrowed tomorrow. Okay, you are going to see lots of them. You can choose anyone. A village. Let's just see the market day course, a greedy trader. Okay, I like this number 9. Okay, let me just leave that. So we'll type give me 10 prompts to visualize number 9. I'm picking number 9. I think I love it. Okay, so it's going to give us 10. Now this is what we'll do. We'll copy this, head over to Wix, paste it. This first place is for images, this second place is for videos. So we'll click, it's already clicked on the first place. Okay, so we'll just send. We'll wait for it to generate. It is not that fast maybe. Okay, so we'll just have to wait. Let's come back. Okay, Oh, I wanted to say let's come back, but don't worry. It is here already. So which one should we pick? Now let's head over to ChatGPT. Okay, don't worry, we can do this without ChatGPT. We can download it. Okay, you can see there is love here, like giving them feedback that you love it. There is share, there is download. If you click here, that's download. If this other side, you can see edit, and this one is video, so you can click on that video. When you click on the video, the animation, that's give a prompt to animate it. We can say let the market men and women be discussing loudly in English and in a Nigerian tone and accent. Okay, ChatGPT could have easily done this for us. So if you want to use ChatGPT to generate the prompt to generate the videos, there is no problem. But sometimes you can allow your brain to do something on its own, right? Not every now and then ChatGPT. I know I told you previously that ChatGPT can do all the work. Now I'm telling you to allow your brain to do something. Don't worry. Don't worry about it, Joe. You can still do both. But I think this is something simple that our brain can do. Now, while it is downloading, let's see what ChatGPT will give us. Give me prompt to animate each and every one of them. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT will give us for the first one. Okay, you go one put big English, slow cinematic pan across a road. Go away, who asked you? So that's ChatGPT for you. So let's see what our brain does. If our brain still try, Jerry. But ChatGPT will give you the camera angle, blah blah blah. I know. So let's
This
see.
price is too high now. I cannot pay this. Madam, look at these fresh tomatoes. That is the very last price I can offer you today. Give us a better price. We are buying plenty today. This price is too high now.
I love it. So if you click on this place, you can download it. Did you hear that? This is 6 seconds. Did you hear that? Did you hear the accent? Oh my goodness. Did you hear the accent? Okay, let's try ChatGPT prompt. Okay. So remember that it was this first one that we used. So this second one, let's use ChatGPT prompt for the second one. So we'll just go to this place. Remember, you can always edit your prompt the way you want it. So let's give it some edit. Slow cinematic pan across the village markets. Across the village markets. Okay. Villagers walking, women arranging vegetables, men carrying basket. Okay. Let's remove the seconds. Okay, now let's see what that is going to give us. Okay, let's go and come back. Okay, we are back and it is almost finished. Let's just wait a little bit. Come on. And oh yes, it's ready. Let's see.
These tomatoes are fresh from the field this morning.
I will take half a basket, please.
These tomatoes are fresh from the field this morning.
I will take half a basket, please.
Okay, not that bad.
These tomatoes are fresh from the field this morning.
I will take half a basket, please.
It's not that bad. It depends on how many characters are actually in your video that you are creating. If it is 2 characters, the
mouth movement, it will be better than somewhere crowded like this. I hope you understand. My own video will be at the end of this video, so you can draw inspiration from. And I have not been mentioning assignments since. I hope you are doing something. Remember, your certificate is depends on you having 150 videos on your channel. When I cross check, your videos are not up to 150, there's no certificate for you. I hope you don't forget that. I give you assignments or not, do 5 things after each video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, drop your questions in the comment section, and I'll see you again.
My husband, how are you? I miss you so much.
I am fine. I love you so much, Amaka. I want you.
I love you so much, Ize. I want you too.